Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to change mouse DPI to 800. For this, first of all, we open mouse settings. To do this, go to the search bar and type settings. Then, in the search bar of settings, type mouse settings and click on mouse settings. Here, click on additional mouse options. Then click on pointer options. Now, this is the section where we can easily increase the speed of our mouse. If I increase the speed, my mouse will take less time to move. Close this app and open the Chrome browser. Go to the search bar and type DPI Analyzer. Then click on the first link. DPI Analyzer will open. Here, we will scroll down to the section where we can easily check the DPI of our mouse. Click on Units and then select the centimeter option. After that, select the target distance. I will choose 10. Drag this target to the end, and then the actual DPI of your mouse will be available here. Now, let's check. You can see the DPI of my mouse is now 309.88. Now, let's increase the DPI. Open Settings and go to the mouse settings. Click on Additional Mouse Options. Then click on Pointer Options. And now increase the speed. When you increase the speed, your mouse speed will be 10x. Now, you can see on the screen, my mouse takes bigger steps. Let's revert it back. After that, you can apply and then click on OK. It will be closed. That's the way to increase the DPI of your mouse. If you need any topic about this, you can comment in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.